I less than 2, R less than 2 is true. The sign of value of P is 0. For if J equals I plus 1 is, ang value sa J is 1 less than, and the R is 3 is true. If Rj less than Rj, ang value sa J is 1 less than, ang meaning natin is 0. If Rj less than 2, R is, ang value sa J is 1 less than 0. So, bilhin natin 0 is, if Rj less than to R min, and J natin is 1, tas less than, and min natin 0. Tas ang 1 natin is 6. Tas less than, ang natin 0 is 8. So, true. So, true man, mag-assign ka sa min of 1. So, nag-assign ka sa min of 1. So, may sa is 2. Na-increment na tatakang J, so may mo siya o 2. Ito, anatong J is 2, is less than 3. So anatong J is nahimog 2 is less than 3 is true. So ang value sa J is 2 is less than, ang min natin is 1, 8. So atong J is 2 is less than, atong min is 1. Ang element sa 2 is 3. Tapos element sa 1 is 6. 3 less than 6 is true. So, nag-true man din siya, sir. So, ma-assign kita sa main is 2. So, sa G is ma-increment kita is ma-himo siya is 3. So, si G is nahimo naman 3. So, less than 3 is false. And 10 equals Ri. Ang atong I is 8. Ri equals R min, ang atong I is 8 and min is 3. So, R min equals 10 and atong min is 3. So, mao ni sir, atong sorted array is 3, 6, 8.